Hello, in this video I want to demonstrate a special version of Comunica in which we can query over solid pods without the user having to define all of the sources he or she wants to query over upfront. So the technique we use in this version of Comunica is based on so-called link traversal query processing techniques, where the query engine essentially will follow links between documents to find additional sources. So in this web client, you can see a demonstration of this approach, where we have a SPARQL query, but we don't define any starting sources. So what the query engine will essentially do if we execute such a query is it will inspect all of the URLs in this query that appear in subject and object positions, and in this case, it's only this URL that meets these requirements. So what the query engine will do is it will start by dereferencing this document, and then it will retrieve a set of triples. And from these triples, it will identify links to other documents, which can then also be followed by the query engine. And this will happen recursively to find all of the information that is necessary to resolve this query. So if I click on this button here to execute this query, you will see some results streaming in. So some results will show up earlier than other results because some results can already be resolved based on earlier HTTP requests than those that still need to be resolved later on. So in this case, or the query that we want to execute will try to find all of the messages created by a certain person, and then it will find some metadata for these messages. So let's click on the execute query button, and you should quickly see some results showing up while other results showing up later. So here on the bottom you can see a bunch of HTTP requests having to be done for resolving this query.